Ask an investment advisor what to do when the market crashes, and almost always the answer is wait and get out. Selling close to the lowest levels is not recommended, but is it always based on the best strategy, or can major changes be justified in the middle of the bear market? Sometimes the answer to the second question is yes. Throughout this continuity, investors can decide that they have sufficient stocks anywhere. Timidists entertain this idea at the first appearance of a bear market. Others can rarely wait until the worst possible moment of prices. The common theme is realizing that the pre-crisis portfolio is very risky. Risk is always with us. This is not always clear. When the bull market lasts 10 years, the wrong tolerance to risk can be forgiven. After all, if the worst you have seen lately is a 5% correction, it is hard to understand a 25% decrease even if you experience something similar in the last bear market. Volatility usually continues after the first drop, and after a bear market begins, it becomes something investors must face for months. Similarly, living conditions can cause a clear change in risk tolerance. Investors are 10 years older than the last bear market hit. This decade can bring retirement much closer and require a more conservative approach. Ideally, a portfolio will gradually be positioned for retirement over time, but it will be later than ever. Other valid reasons for changing strategies during the bear market are about employment. Working in stock options or a firm with limited stocks means that the portfolio is risk increases with each reward unless there is an active set-off. Intensive holding of corporate stock may be a reminder of fragility. Likewise, losing a job can cause cash flow. Even new hires can feel crazy in a sudden recession as companies adapt to lower demand. Finally, a major recession often results in dividend cuts in some sectors. The current recession is damaging payments, especially in travel companies. The recession in 2008 overshadowed payments in banks and real estate companies. Falling income from the portfolio may not be tolerated, which may require changes.
Most of the idea, comment, information, and criticism containing in these videos have been created by Daily News Report. Before making any important investment decision, use the information contained in these videos as a starting point for conducting your own research. If you make any investment or legal decision, it is advised to consult an expert before making this decision.